Sydney.
Here.
All right, thanks. Colby, I saw you. Colby's here, right? Yep. Caitlin, I saw you. Zach, I see you. Dylan.
Here.
Dylan, you here?
Mm-hmm.
There you are. Okay. Emily, see ya.
Here.
Ellery. There she is. Nora's at the blood drive. Jossie, I saw you. Cade, Ben, Alyssa O. Ruby. There you are. Lily. Alyssa Ross, I saw you. George is at the blood drive. Cece, there she is. Brett, I saw you. And Delaney, I saw you. Okay, good. So what I want you to do with the colored ink exercise, as you take a look at it, I'm just going to look at it with you. So if you're on that document, it's just got a portion of the text. And what you're going to do is highlight where the time changes. So this is one of the sections from Benji's portion of the book. You could probably find it online somewhere. So, I mean, if you really want to cheat, I guess you could. I would encourage you, though, to try to figure out where the time switches on your own and then highlight it. So let's say if, you think one timestamp, you can make it orange. And then when it switches times, highlight that and maybe make it pink. And then when it switches times again, highlight that and make it green. And then at the bottom, there are questions like, who are the characters? And I kind of tipped you off on that the other day. What are their relationships? And then there are just a few more questions where I think if you can start to dive in and see, like, this is how this section is written, that will help you. So when we get off of this Google Meet, my hope would be that you finish that as soon as possible. I think you should be able to have it turned into me. I mean, it's something I would have you do in class if we were meeting. So I'd like you to do it right away when we get off of the meeting. I don't plan on talking for much more than probably 5 more minutes with you. But then if you have questions on that, I want you to definitely let me know. So that's one thing that I want you to do. Do you have any questions right now before I move on? Okay, super. Then on Friday, what I plan on doing, I have a timed quiz that I'm going to push out to you on Friday, and we will probably take it right at the very beginning over Benji's section. And then once you're done with that, my hope would be to start the discussion. So I'm going to give you the quiz. I think it's got 21 questions. I plan on giving you 15 minutes to do it. Of course, you can use your book, whatever resources. You'll just have to keep yourself moving. After that 15 minutes, then I would like to start the discussion for Benji's section. So we would meet, you'll take the quiz, we'll meet, we'll start the discussion, and then we will probably discuss until the end of this class, which is 9:40 on Friday. So what do I want you to do for the discussion for Benji's section? I want you to write 2 questions, and you will submit them on Classroom when we're done. But write 2 questions over Benji's section, and I want you to have answers written for them for yourself too. If we have Zoom, I'm going to create breakout rooms. So we won't be one large group discussing, we will be smaller groups discussing. But if not, we will be on like this grid view, and we will discuss probably Friday and Monday, I would anticipate. Or no, sorry, not Monday, Tuesday, because we meet again on Tuesday. So how many questions? Show me. Can you see me? Okay, 2, good, 2. 2 questions. For when? Somebody speak it.
Friday.
Thank you. It's so weird to look at all of you and not hear anything. 2 questions for Friday. Do the colored ink exercise. The end of the quarter is Friday. I will have all of I think I have like 6 more papers to finish up. I'll get them all back to you. And then the notebooks, I'll start in the notebooks today too. So that'll go in this quarter. Some of you have dropped Crosby's off at my house. And I will be putting them on 3rd quarter unless you tell me not to. Any questions for me? Okay. Okay. Then
Actually, I do have a question,
yeah,
Mrs.
go ahead.
Gorman.
Yep.
Did you put that pie chart of like Benji's thoughts on Google Classroom? Is that on there?
The link is on there, yes. So let me
Okay.
show you. I can show you if I present my screen how to get there. Oh. Can you see my screen right now? No. Okay. Gave me an error. Now? Can you see the screen? Yeah? Okay. So I'll show you. On Classroom, if you click on this link, and then over here where it says Visual Displays, you click on that, and it is it's the proportional display of narrative time in Benji's section. That's probably the most helpful visual, and that will tell you all of the different things that are happening throughout his section. So does that help? Okay. Do you have any other questions? Okay, great. Yeah, finish the colored ink exercise. I'd like to have that done by all of you by 3 o'clock today. Some of you already done. So
Wait, Ms. Warmo?
Yeah.
So are we highlighting like those italicized paragraphs? Are we highlighting in there, or where are we supposed to highlight?
Yes, that's where you'll highlight it. I'll tell you that you will have 3 different colors in that section because there are 3 different time periods being highlighted in those italicized words.
In like just the big first section or the whole thing?
The whole italicized section, there will be 3 colors.
Okay.
Any others? Okay. I will always record these too and put them up on Classroom. So if there's something that you miss, you can go back and look at it that way. All right. My intent is that Friday we can do a grid view, either using Zoom. If we're using the grid view, I'm going to ask that you have your camera on. So if you're not looking pretty right now, fix yourself for Friday so we can all look pretty together. Okay? All right. Have a great day, you guys. As always, I miss you, but it's good to see you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye, Ms. Warmo.
Bye.